Good morning, mathematicians of my life. Today we are going to talk about decimals, okay? Before we talk about decimals, we need to understand that in math there are two worlds, two realities. So everybody was very happy when we were talking about ones, and then we were talking about tens, and then we were talking about hundreds. We talked about thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. Numbers starting getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and life was beautiful. And this is what we call the whole number world. Or, if you prefer, this is the real world. It happens that there is a gate in here, a portal, a door, a secret portal, a secret gate that is called the decimal point. There is a guy here that is called the decimal point. The decimal point has only one job. The decimal point holds all the numbers that are not complete. So all the numbers that are behind the gate, they are not complete. That's why they are called decimals. Decimals are the numbers that are not complete enough to come to the real world. And that's why they are separated by the decimal point. It's easier to understand what teacher Ariel is talking when we think about money. We can have R$1. We don't have this bill anymore, but when teacher Ariel was a child, we used to have R$1 bill. You can even ask your parents if they have one as a memory. R$1 is a complete number, is a whole number. It is in the real world. But sometimes we can break this R$1. Sometimes this one is not complete enough. A number can be complete. A number can be a whole when this number is 100. So when this number is 100, this number is able to come inside the whole world. It happens that 100 is a difficult number to achieve. And sometimes the number is not able to complete 100, right? When the number is not able to complete 100, it is in the upside down world. In the upside down world, it can be organized in two houses. The tenths and the hundredths. Teacher Ariel, tenths and hundreds. Oh my God, we already had one, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lots of numbers. Why do I need two more? Because now you have two more houses before the gate. And this is where the numbers that are not complete, this is where the decimals are going to organize themselves. We know that a complete number is 100. 100 can be organized in two ways when we talk about decimals. We can organize the 100 in groups of 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. And we can organize 100 in groups of 1, because 1 times 100 is 100. Teacher, I can work with 25, with 50. Yes, you can. But when we talk about decimals, we are going to organize in groups of tens that we are going to call tenths, and groups of hundredths that we are gonna call hundredths. Okay, so for example here, I have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. 4/10. Let's see how many hundredths. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Is this number 100? Is this number enough to go to the whole number world, to go to the real world, to cross the decimal point? No, this number is not enough. So this number is going to stay here in the decimal world. Okay, mathematicians of my life, this was only an introduction to the decimals. We are going to have other conversations about it. This is a very nice part of math that I am pretty sure you are going to love it. Okay? So don't forget, always believe in math. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.